Hey guys, this is Cab over Gary. I'm out at my family's land, and this case backhoe was my wife's dad's. He passed away, I think 12 years ago, 13 years ago now, and it's been sitting, unfortunately. Her brother thinks the motor's locked up on it. I don't have any tools with me today to check, but I think we need to come out here and do a will it start on it. It's a Case 530 Construction King. It has I believe it's a 188D. It's a diesel, a little Case diesel they used to have. Tractor overall is in pretty decent shape. Doesn't have too much welding done on it. Looks like lines and stuff were fairly new at the time it was parked. It has a flapper over the exhaust, so that's good. Yeah, I think we need to try to start this. It needs to be back out there digging holes. The rear tires are in really good shape. I don't know what they look like underground, but hopefully they're not too bad. So yeah, I think that's the plan. I think we're gonna come out here, see if we could get this thing started this week. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this. I think this would go really well with my dump truck. I think I can make some money with the combo. So after I get the dump truck going, we might start working on this and going through it completely. Get it back up and going. Thanks for checking in. Hope you enjoyed this short video.